Hi everyone, I'm CEO from Online Help Guide, and in this video, I will show you how to get QR code of Instagram Reels. Generating a QR code of your Reels make it easy to share them with others or access them directly from different devices. So, let's get started on how to get QR code of Instagram Reels. First, open the Instagram app. Go to the Reels section. Scroll through the reels by swiping up or down until you find the reel for which you want to get the QR code. Once you have found the reel, look for the three dots icon located on the right side of the reel. Tap on this icon to open a menu of options. From the menu that appears, tap on the QR code option. This will generate a QR code for the selected reel. And this is how you can get QR code of Instagram Reels. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you won't miss our upcoming videos.